Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over some Leonardo AI prompts for t-shirt design. Now in this tutorial I will be covering some tips, tricks and how best to generate prompts for t-shirt designs using Leonardo AI. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so first things first, if you do not have an account, you would need to create an account. And as you can see right here, I do have 84 tokens left. You might have about 850 tokens, but then again, it all depends on how far you've gone in using your tokens. And if you hover on this, if you hover right here, you would see that your tokens will reset in about 19 hours. Also, that said, let's move on. All right, so first things first, you would need to click on image generation under user tools. I'll just click on this and it should take you to the image generation page. Now, as you can see, I have been working on some prompts myself. I have actually been working on trying to modify some prompts. So the issue actually is having to type this all out. It's really stressful, and despite the fact that we're actually using an AI to generate images, it doesn't really, it's not really as interesting a process as it is, having to figure out what exactly to type, what exactly to imagine. Like, it's really stressful. So in this video, in this tutorial, I will be going over a method, how you can generate prompts such as this, by simply having certain keywords in mind. So the thing is, there is a trick you can use, and we'll be doing this with ChatGPT. So over here on ChatGPT, I have been working on a command, and this is a command that I will leave in the description. So if you can copy it, and of course you can modify it to best suit what you're looking to create. So as you can see from this prompt right here, I tried making ChatGPT understand the concept of what I'm looking for, and I tried to make it understand that I want it to generate prompts for Leonardo AI for me, but I had to give it some initial details and concepts, including guides as to what exactly I have in mind. So that said, depending on what kind of prompts you want ChatGPT to generate for you, you would need to modify this a little bit. So outside of that, I was able to give it some information. So I'll just scroll down here. So this is the modified prompt right here. This is the modified prompt right here. So after this, it kind of asked for a keyword. So that's basically the idea. That's basically what this prompt does. So this prompt basically, I do note I did most of most of the keywords, most of the words in this prompt were actually gotten from other sources. In the course of my research, I stumbled on most of them on some social media platforms. So you might find details in this prompt that kind of seem familiar. So yeah, that might happen. But outside of that, this is generally what I did. And as you can see, I actually modified this. This should be okay. So this, let's see. Yeah, right. So this should be the first one. Right, that should be the first one. And then I went on to modify it over here, and then did the same thing over here. So depending on what prompts ChatGPT gives you and the results you get, you might need to refine your prompts along the way in order to get realistic. So I actually modified it to generate about 4 different prompts. Yeah, about 4 different prompts. So you can do that. That can work for you. So that's basically the trick to being able to get images, to generate images such as this. So as you can see so far, the journey I went through. So the first prompt I created, I got results like this, which in a way were not really what I was looking for. Then I went on to something like this, and as you can see, this one I would have actually been okay with this one. But the thing is, I think I used some different. As you can see, there's obviously something wrong. Like this may be okay for you, but it all depends on what you're looking for. But over here, I kind of I didn't get the dimensions right, so I had to redo it. Over here, it was just this is wasn't what I was looking for at all. So I had to modify the command I gave ChatGPT further, and when I realized I was actually making progress was when I got something like this. So this was actually close to what I was looking for. I just want to view this in a larger screen. All right, so this was kind of close to what I was looking for, to the kind of designs I was looking for. Because if you're into t-shirt, if you most of the designs for t-shirt are kind of like this. So I kind of like had this idea that, well, this was progress, right? So this compared to this makes a lot of sense, right? It makes more sense. This does make a lot of sense. So this would go well on a t-shirt. Now, the idea is, like I said, the I will be dropping the ChatGPT command for this. So I'll drop it in the description. You can copy it and modify it. So that's basically that. And I supplied a keyword with lion. So I'll try something else. I will just see if this gives us something reasonable. All right, so I love this cyberpunk right here. I'll paste it here. So cyberpunk, it kind of feels empty, but putting this alone. So I'll just look for something else. So just put cyberpunk Naruto. Yeah. I have no idea what this is going to look like. All right, but we'll just see. What this is completely experimental, by the way. So we're just playing around with some prompts that I got based on research and trying to put together, and we're just trying to see exactly how best we can generate images that would best suit t-shirt designs. So that's kind of like the whole idea. So I'll just copy this. This is the first prompt, and let's head over to. All right, now now this. No. This is something. This is just crazy. This is good. Now this is good. This is good. I'm definitely dropping. So I'll definitely drop the. So do note the settings, right? Do note the settings. So I did say initially that the amount of variations you're getting will determine how well this will be. Now all right, so let's just go over with this one and just see how it looks, right? So no doubt this would be dope. Like this is crazy, right? This is really crazy. This is really crazy. All right, so we'll just generate this and see what results we get, right? So first of all, let's look at this one. All right, so this really isn't that bad. It actually, well, personally, it's not really the best looking right here, but this is well detailed, and this is quite okay. And do note, in the prompts, I was really specific about neon effects, so that's kind of like something you might want to stick to. It's not really compulsory. If you have a specific idea of how you'd want the lighting to be, like you can the prompts I will be dropping, you can add modify to add specific lighting, colors, as well as different positions you might want. So that can work. So between this, I don't really dig this, but this looks good. This definitely looks good. Let's look at it. All right. Let's see. This is good. This is good. This is definitely good. I like this. This one, okay. Right, so that's basically it for this one. So let's look at this. Nah, come nah. Now this is good. This is good. This is really good. This is really good. This is good. Yeah, I like this. I like this one. I like this one. Right. So there isn't really a limit to what you can do with this, right? There isn't really a limit. So if you look at our progression so far, it's been a really, really long journey. And so far we've been able to create images that would actually go well. So another thing you might want to note is the dimension, or should I say aspect ratio. So it's currently on the highest. You might want to make this a bit, let's say drop it something about here. Since it's going to be used for t-shirt, it generally depends on what you're looking to do, right? So yeah, that can work. So I'll just do one last one quickly, and I'm trying going to look for something a bit more. So let's see what we get with this. Now, this video is taking a really long time, so I'm actually enjoying myself with this, right? So this is me just testing out things and tweaking. It might take you a longer time, but you just have to be patient when it comes to working with this. But the bottom line is just you noting these settings, right? So I'm using Leonardo diffusion, so very important, and Leonardo style to get the results that I'm getting right now. And also remember the number of variations you get will go a long way in generally giving you splendid results, right? So that's basically that. Now this is good. This is good. This is good stuff. This is good stuff, right? This is, let's see, what did I street art, right? When it comes to well, this is okay. This is okay. This is not bad. This isn't bad. All right, so let's try one more, but still with Goku. I think I'll try the cyberpunk, right? So let's do cyberpunk. Right. Oops, cyberspace. Cyberpunk with Goku right there. Like these are literally keywords that I got from ChatGPT, and I used it to create prompts from ChatGPT. So this is a really serious hack. It's basically better than, I mean, having to type this all, like you would literally need to type out this much details as well as let's see okay, first issue is not knowing exactly what to even go, like what to type in the first place, and that's basically one serious issue. And then when you finally get your idea straight, you would need to include all the information over here, right? Information like lighting, like your lighting, resolution, like all these really serious details, which will be time consuming, right? They really will be time consuming. So this is a really big hack where you just need to input certain keywords and ChatGPT will generate what you are looking for. So this will be our last prompt. This will be our last image, rather. So let's just see what we get. But generally, this isn't bad, right? Street art, like this is good stuff. This is okay. This is okay. But I think I dig this. This looks nice. This looks nice. So now this is good. This is good. This is good. But I don't get why I'm seeing multiple Gokus. Like, is there an issue with personality? But anyway, my best pick from all of this would be the one with Naruto. Yeah, so this kind of this is what I this is good. This is good. I do like this. This is okay. So best picks would be the one with Barack Obama, and this with Naruto. As for this for Gojo, I really have no idea what this is. So yeah, The Sims would have been a lot better. Probably. So you can try out a lot of things and just see how well you'll get, how much results you you will get. So yeah, that's basically it. So this is kind of like a hack as to how best to generate prompts using keywords and just being able to work with ChatGPT to get prompts that will produce reasonable images or generate reasonable images from Leonardo AI. So yeah, that's it for this video. If this video did help you out, I'll give you some insights or tips on how best to go about generating prompts for your t-shirt design images using Leonardo AI. Then do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. And I'll definitely see you in another video.